Aprilia have unveiled a significantly upgraded version of their Tuono 660 factory for 2025, bringing it in line with the latest performance and technological standards. The standout changes include a more powerful Euro 5 Plus compliant engine, a full suite of premium Öhlins suspension components, and enhanced electronics. The Tuono 659cc parallel twin engine has received a small but meaningful performance boost. Power has increased from 99 brake horsepower to a claimed 103.6 brake horsepower at 10,400 RPM, while torque remains unchanged at 70 Nm at 8,400 RPM. Aiding this jump in output are larger throttle bodies, growing from 48 mm to 52 mm. As before, the engine also serves as a stressed member of the lightweight aluminium dual-beam chassis, contributing to the bike's structural rigidity. A 47 brake horsepower version will continue to be offered for A2 license holders. One of the most notable improvements comes in the suspension department. Aprilia has replaced the previous model's fully adjustable KYB forks and sax shock with high-end Öhlins hardware. At the front, the Tuono now sports 43 mm NX upside-down forks, while the rear benefits from an SDX46 monoshock. Both components are fully adjustable, offering improved damping control and handling precision for riders who like to push the limits. On the tech front, Aprilia have given the Tuono 660 factory a more comprehensive electronics package. Building on its already impressive suite of features, the 2025 model now adds launch control to a list that includes cornering ABS, ride modes, lean-sensitive traction control, anti-wheelie, cruise control, engine braking management, and a bidirectional quickshifter. These rider aids offer high levels of customization and performance for both road and track use. The cockpit has also seen refinement with the introduction of a new 5-inch full-color TFT dash. Using optical bonding technology, the display reduces glare and enhances visibility in bright conditions. Comfort hasn't been ignored either. A redesigned seat provides more space for the rider to move around during hard acceleration, though the seat height remains unchanged at 820 mm. Despite the upgrades, the Tuono 660 factory retains a competitive wet weight of just 181 kilograms. Overall, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660 factory delivers a sharper, more focused riding experience, combining top-tier components with a versatile and powerful engine package.